Hey geeks, if you're out and about, you're doing your videos and you're doing a vlog like me, there are times when you're just like moving your camera around and you accidentally hit your dials and you change your settings. This can be really frustrating, especially when it comes to exposing things correctly. So I'm going to show you a really quick way where you could actually prevent that from happening on your Panasonic S5 or S5IIX. So here's the problem. You're out and about and then you accidentally hit these dials, whether it's up here, down here, or down here. And for example, this dial up here, I have it set to my aperture setting. And then down here, this is for my shutter speed or my shutter angle. And all of these things could affect your exposure and that could definitely ruin your video. So how can you lock these things so then you don't accidentally change them? Well, the way you do that is you first go into your menu. Then you go into the gear icon and then go to Operation Lock Setup. And as you can see, by default, it's set to lock everything once you set these functions. Now you can change this if you want to have it unlocked or locked. In this case, I want all of these things locked. So how do you do that? Well, if you go down here to Function Button Set, and in Setting and Record mode, you could choose which function button sets this feature to do an operation lock. So in my case, I wanted to actually use the button in the front of my camera, which is FN2. And if I go there and I choose that, now you could actually choose what it does. Okay, so you go down here to this dial setting, and then there's a feature called Operation Lock. And if you choose that, this will be used to lock your operation. So once you do that, then you press this button. Now it's locked. And if you notice, anything I do, it says Operation Lock. And then if you press it again, it will unlock that. But now there is another really super easy way for you to set this setting without having to go into the menus like that. All you have to do is hold down this function button in the front of the camera and it'll directly go to this feature. And now you can set it to Operation Lock and you are done. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you do this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my camera tutorials, tips, and tricks, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave it in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.